So people, welcome to this channel. It's your boy Sammy. In this video I'm going to be showing you what I saw. Someone was asking the question on how to trade um Bitcoin, okay, using MT5. I'm going to be showing you how I trade it, okay. And I'm going to be applying some of the tools that I look out for, that I actually use in trading. Now the first thing and the most important thing every trader, both Bitcoin and forex trader, fortune, whatever it is, your future, your whatever it is that you're trading, you have to be able to identify the trend. Now, a lot of you may be have been following me for some time and you hear me talk about the trend is your friend always. Now, why do I say trade with the trend? That's because the big players are actually trading with the trend, and you don't want to trade against them because you don't have that high amount of liquidity that they do. They are the market players that pull the market. So if they are actually buying with a huge sum of amount of money and you want to be trading against the trend, you will end up not making profit, okay. So the best thing you want to do is stick with the trend, okay. Now the second one is trading up of the higher time frame. We have the daily, we have the we have the 4 hours, we have the 1 hour. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be outlining with the 1 hour, and 30 minutes is the least I can go for me, because I noticed that my trade plays out whenever I'm trading with the trend and not against the trend. So I'm going to be showing you two examples. Now the first one is this: identify a trend, and the second one is trade with the higher time frame. Now let's say this is it. The next one is wait for a break of structure. As I outlined this one, this was a break of structure here. Price actually broke to the upside, but they left something here for us. They left something here for us, something here, which was an inefficiency, imbalance. So price is bound to come back to it down before going back up, okay. One of you have noticed some things in the market, something like this. You always see inefficiency, like a big candle that actually move up like this. Price will actually come back down to fill it up before going back up in their direction, okay. That's what we waited for. Now the next one is what? An order block. Now what was the last order block before the price actually moved up? It was this. Now another significant thing you need to make use of is what? Candle. There's something called institutional candles. I don't want this video to be too complex. Let me see how I can break it down. Now if you noticed, this was the last candle here. This was the last candle here. And when we check in the future, sorry for my line, it's actually something that we expected it. Let me just use the trend line so it will be more clearer, okay. Okay, see it here. This was the last candle, and this was where price came out to. So what you want to do is, you've seen the break of structure and you've actually waited for price to actually come back to the last order block here. So you want to be looking for opportunity to buy. Why are you buying? Because the initial trend is actually bullish, okay. So you want to stay with the trend and know that this is not a reversal. Now some of you may be like, and Sammy, what about this trend line here? The mistake you make is that you start selling from here. You want to start selling from here. You want to start selling and stay profitable. You can't wait for the 1 hour candle to be formed to come to an area of value for you. You want to start selling. That's where the problem is, okay. That's where the problem is. Now let's check another example. Okay, I think I can do with this. What can we see here? This was a change of character. Price came back down. Now for me, this is a break of structure. So I can't see any good area for me to actually start entering the market to buy from here. Now, one of the things about me as a trader is, let me just quickly just say this. One of the thing about me as a trader is I don't like trading stuff like this. Let me clear this just so that you get it clear. I don't like trading stuff like this. For me, it doesn't work. I don't like it. So this is what I do. I actually wait until the market is doing something like this. Now, one of the thing is, this is break of structure. So it is coming back here before going back up to break another structure. That's what I want to see. It's very easy. See, the hardest thing in forest to me, it's actually not even the money you're risking. It's actually the patience to wait. Patience to wait for the market to come to you, and equally patience to wait for the market to go hit your take profit. That's the hardest thing. During the course of my journey as a trader, that was the most difficult thing that I ever faced. Even up to now, I can say that I'm actually perfect in it. Some of the times the market, okay, let me take for example today. Today is Friday, right? Okay, I had a setup on Monday. That was the only trade I took on Monday. I didn't see any trade on Tuesday. I had a setups there. I didn't see any trade on Wednesday. I didn't see anyone on Thursday. So I've just been waiting. Now I don't know if there's a trade. I had a setup even today. Okay, I have a setup even today on I think on gold. Okay, so the market hasn't come, but it doesn't mean that I'm going to execute a trade. If it doesn't come, that's not maturity, and that's actually way out of it. Okay, you just have to stay patient. But the beautiful thing is this: if you have a good money that you're risking, I think Kojo Forex said something, said I don't mind waiting for so long for the market to come to me, but when it does, I'm going to be risking, like like I'm going to be risking. I know these guys, they have good capital to do this stuff. Okay, so what we want to do is it's stay with the trend and stay focused. Okay, let me just show you what happened here. Just develop your patience. One of the things that helped me develop my patience, I think I should be giving it out for free. I didn't intend to do this. Okay, I'm just doing it now. Okay, let's do something. I'll drop a link to my community. I will drop the link here. Okay, the link to my community. Once you come into my community, you just say emotional intelligence. I'm going to be giving you guys a giveaway book. It's called Emotional Intelligence. That was the book that helped me to actually work on my emotions and actually work on my patience also. So I think it will be helpful. Let me do it as a giveaway for us this new year 2025. For as many traders are looking forward to say I want to actually become serious in forest. I want to understand how this thing works. Okay, I'm going to be giving you a free giveaway book, Emotional Intelligence. It's going to be helping you stay patient. Okay, so this was the last order block. I told you. Now, why did we see this? This was a break of structure. This was a break of structure. Sorry, break of structure here. So price, what did it do? It came back to here in the future, and it actually what entered it, respected the order block for us to go up. Don't forget, identify the trend. The trend is bullish. The second one is that there must be a break of structure. We are seeing it. And the third one is order block. We have seen the order block, and price has come to it. But there is another problem. What's the problem? This candle is too big. This candle is, you can enter, maybe you go down to the lower time frame. Okay, if you go down to the lower time frame, you might not even see something as small as this. You might see a big one. The truth is that the market always gives us an entry, and it is going to be a low risk, but you have to be patient enough to see it. Now I'm seeing something here. That's what I'm going to be drawing. That's the trend line. That's when the market wants us to enter the market, enter the trade. Sorry, let me draw it here so that I see it clearly. I didn't want this video to be long. I think I'm doing the same thing again. Okay, let's go. I'm saying something here. A lot of folks were selling here. A lot of folks were selling here. Let me just take this a little bit closer, because that's what it did. Please take note that some of the times the market will respect weeks. Okay, and some of the times you respect just the body, whichever way that works with you. Okay, just understand that. Now I'm going to be showing you what happened here. There are a lot of folks that were selling. Remember what I told you about trading with the trend? They were selling here, yes, because the price actually came what came to the trend line, so they were selling. Now you will be like, Sam, you have been talking about trend trading strategy, and you have been talking about ways trading with the trend. Yes, trading with the trend, yes, but not trading against the trend. Using trend line, yes, but not against trading the trend. Trading with the trend, rather. You want to use the trend line in the direction of the trend. What did we see here? Price came to this order block, okay, and we actually moved up. If I take it back, you see that we moved up. It later came back to stop us, but at least if you have been here, Bitcoin actually liquid around here to here can be giving you up to 400 to 300 pips move. I think that is enough for you, depending on what you're risking. Can make good profit. And when you see a reversal like this, you should be leaving the trade because this is a double top. Market is going to be retracing back to this point, but because of news impact, it actually came back down and took out the money here. Okay, however this is, but you want to trade with the trend. You want to trade with the trend so you can stay what profitable. Now I've been saying something about using your trend line in the direction of the trend, not against the trend. These guys, they have the big money to pull the market, so they have big liquidity, so they want to move the market in their favor, and you want to identify the trend so you can join them in trading in the direction of the market. Okay, now I plan on hosting a 2 days, let's say 3 days, yeah, 3 days program on how to trade prop firm challenge, how to pass the phase. It's going to be coming up at the end of this month. If you are actually interested, or you have a friend that have been trading prop firm account and has been blowing it up and challenges all of that, just come. Is a free training. Okay, the link is still going to be in my community. I host a lot of stuff there. Okay, just join us there and let's see how we can fix it for you. Okay, that'll be all for now. Thank you.